Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to install uh, Notepad++ on Windows 10. This is, I believe this is Windows 10 1909, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there we are. Windows 10 1909. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Google Chrome here. Make this a little bit wider. I'll go to Notepad++. I believe this is the first link here. As of today, what is it? January the 12th, 2020. They're on release 7.8.2. Um, I have this is a 32-bit machine that I'm on right now. If you have a 64-bit, you can go ahead and install the 64-bit one, but 32-bit one should be what's compatible with my system here. So I'll go ahead and download that. Once I confirm it's downloaded, we'll accept the UAC and go ahead and hit enter. Next, I agree. There's the install path, and then if you want to modify any features here, usually I do turn on localization. It's up to you if you want to um, be able to run some command line stuff with it knowing exactly what you're referencing. So hit next on there. I do create a shortcut on the desktop just so I can launch it a lot more quicker. And we are off to the races here. Go ahead and close this window. We don't need that anymore. See exactly what it's doing. It's doing some of that localization stuff. And it is finished. We have successfully installed Notepad++ version 7.8.2. We'll click, it's got it checked so that it will launch once we click finish. So we'll go ahead and let it do its thing, and there we go. Um, One thing I will recommend is not quite sure if any of you guys are familiar with the encoding, but if you are going to be writing some, scripts, especially for Windows, um, you possibly want to leave the encoding, set the encoding to ANSI, just so that way any quotes or characters that you use will will be correctly uh, referenced. I know that I'm speaking from experience, from a lot of experience on this. If you are coding for any Unix platforms, though, you should be able to leave it on UTF-8 um, in order for your syntax to read correctly. The problem is, or what I've run into, is having it set to UTF-8 and then typing out some scripts that are like some BAT scripts and some PowerShell scripts, and that are specifically designed to run on Windows platforms, and that for some strange reason seem to error out. And after a lot of digging, it's because there was a quote that wasn't represented correctly, or there was an extra space. It was just a real time waste just to troubleshoot this. So um, learned my lesson. Best practice: Windows platforms use ANSI, um, and then Linux platforms you can use UTF-8. Set it to UTF-8. But that's pretty much it. If you want me to make a video on any other features about Notepad++, just leave them down in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care, guys.